Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I'm going to share my swatches and my thoughts and just an overall review of the new Essie Midsummer collection. I actually got my hands on these, I think it's like a month, maybe even 6 weeks ago or something like that. I have ordered them online because Essie is actually quite hard to get here in like a physical store and I prefer to get my stuff online anyways. So yeah, I got them for a little less than 10 euros a bottle. I think it was 9.95 in euros. There are 6 colors in total and I can't wait to share my swatches with you. But first, if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. Hit that notification bell as well and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. But yeah, let's just quit the rambling and get into the swatches. Let me know what you think about this collection in the comment section down below as well. I would love to hear your thoughts on these. And yeah, I love you so much and I hope to see you in my next video as well. So let's get into the swatches, but of course on forehand, if you have any questions what I'm wearing on my nails at this moment of recording this video, do let me know in the comment section down below and I'm happy to reply to you and answer your questions. And of course I will be showing you all of the colors one by one and swatching them on my thumb as usual. Some colors I have actually only just done one coat of because they were really opaque, and of course with my lighting that I use, which is super bright, you can see any flaw or imperfection or anything like that, but to the naked eye the one coaters definitely were one coaters on my long nails as well. But yeah, I actually never show you this, but of course I still had a little bit of polish on my thumb, so I'm just going to remove it. And I am not even going to apply a base coat, which I would recommend doing if you're going to wear these colors for a longer period of time than just 5 to 10 minutes like I'm doing for this video. But yeah, I do have a little layer of gel base and top coat on there just to strengthen them a bit, and it's just really easy when doing a lot of swatching and design videos here on YouTube. But this first color is called Twilight Delight, and this probably is my favorite color from this collection. Just right at the start of the bat, this is my favorite. It is so beautiful. I love it. This color definitely screams my name. It screams fall, and it's just a very bright fall color in my opinion. Very fuchsia-like, magenta-like, kind of in between like that hot pink and a little bit of like a purpley kind of tone. So yeah, I really love it. And like right off the bat for this one as well, it is definitely a one coater for me, even with my long natural nails, because yes, these are my natural nails. I get a lot of questions about those on a daily basis, so I just keep on replying to you guys in my videos and just telling you that they are natural, because they are. But yeah, even on my long nails, this was a one coater. Of course, with my lighting going on, I have 3 really light or bright lights, and yeah, they just show every single imperfection, but seriously, to the naked eye, this one was a perfect one coater. I love that color so much. It is bright, luscious, just gorgeous. Then the second color is also a color that I really loved in this collection, but I feel like they do a lot of similar shades for midsummer collections like this one. This one is called Picnic of Time. It is kind of like a periwinkle bluish purple kind of color. I do feel like there is just a little not enough purple in here for it to be a true periwinkle color, but it definitely has a little bit of purple going on in there. It is one of the lighter shades from this collection, so I will be definitely recommending to do this color for 2 coats, maybe even 3 coats if you have longer nails like I do as well. I would always recommend to just apply extra layer which is thin instead of just slapping on one really thick coat. It just looks better if you apply thinner layers and you don't have to wait as much time as you would have to wait if you apply a really thick layer before it's completely dry and hardened out. So yeah, with this second coat, it isn't like 100% opaque yet, but do keep in mind that this is a very light color and it does show some brush streaks as well. So try to not overwork this color. As you can see around the cuticle area, I feel like I had a little bit of like overworking the polish with the brush. So yeah, keep that in mind for the lighter colors, but other than that, it definitely isn't bad for 2 coats. The same goes for this lovely pink color. This one is called Budding Romance. It is just one of those beautiful pinky kind of shades that is pretty wearable for everyone, to be honest. I don't feel like this is a color you really can't or can wear, whether or not you have a very fair skin or a really dark toned skin. I feel like this color goes for pretty much everyone. Of course, you have to like pink to actually wear it, because why wear something if you don't like it? But I really love colors like these, and I will be having this one sitting around on my work desk for a longer period of time, because this is one of those colors that I just love to smack onto my nails whenever I have to refresh my manicure, like during the week, or maybe I just want to slap this one on a Sunday evening, wear it for the entire work week. I just love colors like these. They're so wearable, they match with everyone and every single occasion. I just think it's a beautiful pinkish color. Yeah, definitely let me know what you think about these colors so far. Of course, this definitely is a 2-coater. I do feel like you will need 2 coats for shorter nails as well, because it is quite light. But I have to say that I really love how Essie have like stepped up their game when it comes to their quality and opaqueness of the colors, because years ago they were really bad. They were really sheer and just really patchy and not a joy to work with. So they have really switched that around, and I'm really loving these colors. So yeah, this next color is actually a beautiful poppy kind of red color. I feel like this color was in last year's Midsummer collection as well, or at least a similar kind of tone. There was like a poppy red kind of color in there too. I feel like this one is a little bit more bright, or maybe that's just what comes up in my mind, like thinking about last year's Midsummer red color, like by memory. I might be wrong. Don't hold it against me, like I just feel like Midsummer collections by Essie are always a little bit similar. Like, correct me if I'm wrong, but you know, I've tried last year's collection as well, and I felt like there was a similar red like that in there, as well as the periwinkle light blue kind of color. I don't know, I see a little pattern going on here. So yeah, but this one was called Bunches of Love. It's just a beautiful color. Definitely one you can wear all year round, but it might be good for Christmas time, like Christmas season, as well as Valentine's Day, of course. And yeah, next one is called Set for Sunset. This is just a really lovely, like, I'd say salmony, corally kind of orange color. It is definitely not a Halloween orange in my opinion. I feel like this is more of like a spring summer color, but yeah, it's still the Midsummer collection, so I guess you can still wear it if you want to be really like season color coordinated. For me personally, I just wear any color whenever I feel like wearing it. But if you are really like holding on to the seasons and colors that fit seasons, I don't really feel like this one is super midsummery going onto like fall. But yeah, it really is a gorgeous color nonetheless, and once again it is pretty much opaque with that second coat. I did mess up my cuticle area a little bit for this one. You know, sometimes you just get the shakes and that's just the way it is. You can't help it. I know a lot of you also get the shakes and really appreciate me talking about my struggles and issues with that. I tend to have quite high blood pressure, but I do get the shakes when I'm low on sugar or really high on caffeine as well. So yeah, that's just life, and I like to share like really honest stories and just situations with you guys, because sometimes videos or YouTubers only show
positive stuff and never show their mistakes or flaws or faults or anything like that. And I tend to do that more often. Or at least I've always done that, because I feel like we can learn together from making mistakes. And at the end of the day, it's just nail polish, you know. You can just remove it if you want to. But yeah, this last color is actually called Field of Dreams. This is a beautiful fall-like color. It was a little patchy and sheer, like way more sheer than I thought it would be, or what I expected it to be for that first coat, but it will settle itself a little bit better with that second coat. But you will see in a little bit, once I have applied the second layer, that it still wasn't completely like fully opaque or like not patchy anymore. It was still a little like patchy bald stuff going on. And yeah, there was actually a cat hair in my manicure as well, because why not? Cat hair gets everywhere. It is insane. But yeah, this is a really lovely green color. I personally am not a big fan of green tones, but with like fall coming up soon and stuff like that, I can really appreciate a color like this being in a midsummer collection. I actually haven't gotten my hands on the fall collection so far. I have seen some pictures, like swatches, as well as some YouTube swatch videos as well. So I really hope, like fingers crossed, that I will be able to get my hands on that collection as well. But I'm also taking a 3 weeks like off of my regular job, and I will be going on a holiday as well. So I hope to get my hands on it soon, and otherwise you will see it on my channel anyways. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.